Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add a new destination in this Tripscout application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page. And then click on the Add New Destination button. And then just search for a destination, or you can choose one from the suggested part. And your destination is added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.